Ready to unleash your inner superhero? Let's dive into 5 powerful steps to self-love that will transform your life. Get ready to conquer your fears and embrace your true potential. It's time to rise up, embrace your greatness, and unleash the superhero within you. We're going to share with you 5 steps to cultivate self-love and awaken the superhero that lies dormant inside you. Prepare to elevate your confidence and self-esteem with these potent affirmations. Step 1. Embrace your divine uniqueness. You possess an untapped greatness within you, and it's time to accept yourself, imperfections, and all. Remember, nobody is perfect, and that's what makes you extraordinary. Stand tall. Proclaim, I am enough, just as I am. Step 2. Forgive and release. We all stumble, but it's essential to forgive yourself and let go of any guilt or shame. Together, let's declare, I forgive myself and release the chains of the past. Step 3. Bask in gratitude for your blessings. Focus on the things you are grateful for in your life. Gratitude helps shift our mindset to appreciate the positives. Daily, let's affirm, I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. Step 4. Set unyielding boundaries to safeguard your energy. Know your limits and communicate them clearly. It's crucial to set healthy boundaries to protect your well-being. Declare, I have the right to set boundaries and shield my energy. Step 5. Take pleasure in your accomplishments. Acknowledge your progress and take pride in yourself. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Say with me, I am proud of my accomplishments and rejoice in my growth. I am worthy of genuine love, kindness, and respect. I love and accept myself completely. Respect is due to me, and my thoughts and feelings are valued. I do not need validation from others. I am developing my ability to validate my own thoughts and feelings because they matter. By merely stating that it's alright to feel whatever I am experiencing, I validate myself. Inside of me is a quiet, peaceful sanctuary. To keep my mind healthy, I go there every day. I am loving myself fully and unconditionally. Remember, self-love is a journey, and these 5 steps will guide you towards a more fulfilling life. Keep practicing and nurturing your inner superhero. Together, we'll create a world filled with love and empowerment. Stay strong and let your inner superhero shine.